Hello everyone, Dr. Tony Lytle here. I want to make a video about how to use a Swan Lock, what I call like a topper, that goes on top of the testosterone vial. So I want to be able to use this in case patients have any questions. So I want to demonstrate for you to kind of show you how it works. So I have my testosterone vial here. I use my alcohol swab off the top of the vial, just get rid of any contaminants. Then what I would do is I can apply the Swan Lock topper right on the top here. Now if it was on there, I'm not going to pierce the bottle, but you would pierce through the little plastic part there. Once it's on the vial, what you can do is you can actually access it with the 1 ml syringe. And you can actually go in and you can depress the top part of the Swan Lock. You can depress, and what I like to do is I like to depress and then twist a little bit, and that actually can keep the syringe inside. You have to put a little bit of pressure to actually keep it in there. Then what you would do is you would invert the vial. That's what I do. I invert the vial, and then what I'll do is I will pull on the 1 ml syringe, and I'll pull the substance into the syringe at the correct dose. And then if I have to put a little bit back, I put a little bit back in. Once I'm there, I can just pull right out. And I have my correct dose in the syringe. You can put the needle on it there. The Swan Lock topper will remain on top of the vial, just like this. And you can continue to use it until the vial is complete. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments for me. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video. More content like this coming out for NMD for me at the TNT Wellness Center in Mesa, Arizona. Thanks, guys. Bye.